So Tyler, what are we doing today?
So today we're going to finish buttoning up the subfloor here in the bathroom,
Okay.
as well as cut in and install the window for the bathroom. So everything's laid out for electrician to come in and finish his work and just keep rolling.
Perfect.
Good morning.
Good morning. New window's gonna just overlap that hole. Light's gonna be reloaded to the other side of the door. We want the window at the same height as all the windows.
We'll be back next week. 2 3/4.
Pilot nail. Get to the window here.
Yeah, just flat. That should be fine. Just as long as I can still get to the wires and stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yep.
Yep, that'll be fine.
Got this nailed in.
Give it a couple studs, it gives
Yeah.
a thermal break.
It's like what the wrap they use these days, right? Okay.
7/8, and that'll be 22 primers at that. Do I know?
Nice. Well, there's the opening for our new window. I would never have the courage to cut a hole like that in my house. What do you think of the window, Diane?
It's nice and big, and wow, always be fresh air.
Nice.
Yeah, stay here.
So just put that trimmer up to the, yeah. So basically the header should be, what was that, 42 3/8 plus 3, 45.
This guy wants to play. He doesn't care about the construction. Whoa! Beam.
Can you come down and figure out what breaker this goes on? Staple out. Yeah, that's it. Now, there's one that says kitchen lights, number 11. That's
That
it.
one?
Yeah, we got it. Attic, make it easier for them.
Oh,
to
great.
Later, the electricians. Because this, I'm gonna have to kind of close this up with framing, so they won't be able to access it very easily.
Okay.
Still gotta get this one staple.
You can't see up there now. You need a flashlight?
Oh, good.
You can pull both of them if that's easier.
No.
It's a little longer. Just on the one with the wires poking out.
So in a couple of days, the electrician, Orlando, will be here to wire up the bathroom. And they're helping out by removing these wires, getting them out of the way, pulling them up to the attic. Because it's going to be boxed in.
Okay. Gotta get this guy in first. It's probably gonna be kind of tight. Nail that guy. get so over. I guess it just pushed over when we put that. Reflectors. We just have to install it without the flange.
Okay.
Same as they did all your other windows in the house, but
Okay.
basically,
Without the flange. So you have to cut it off, or?
yeah, cut the flange off and just kind of set it retro style from screw it through the frame.
Just got to remove the flange because that's how the other windows are mounted to match the way they look from the outside.
So we should probably put some nails in there. Basically, we just want to be 3/4 out from the siding. Okay. And that's the other windows. So I'm just gonna start with the top.
Right there. Perfect.
There we go. Okay. Yep. There? Yep. Okay. Hold on a second. Wrong way. This is- Huh? Good.
Okay, we're done for today. When can I expect you back again?
We can film. Proof on camera.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Yeah, next week sometime when we're working
Next-
down the road, we'll be back by, finish up the siding at least. But This is, now you're kind of waiting on electrician to come back in.
Yes.
And then we'll get, once he's done, sheetrock behind him. And so.
Okay. And we're getting weathered in, or weathered out, I should say, right?
Sure. Yeah.
It depends on which side you're on.
Right.
Now you're going to read the directions?
No.
That's how I do it.
Where did I mess up? What? Why do I have all these extra screws? With the flange on it, on a new construction, we would still use that, and be able to flash it with the vapor barrier with your house wrap. But this doesn't even have a house wrap, so.
Okay, that makes sense. And these other windows were installed the same way, essentially. And it matches. Trim comes later. It'll be a 2x2 around the entire window. Going to reinstall this board. Some have called it buffalo board. It is put on the exterior of older construction before the siding. So Tyler's going to go ahead and reinsert the insulation in this wall. It's not really necessary, other than it'll be helpful for sound, reducing the noise. Never mind what noise comes from a bathroom.
Plumbing shouldn't be leaking. That's the rule. Some extra stuff in here, just for sound.
It's just going to be thrown out otherwise. Got the holes cut out for the plumbing.
See if I can get it in there.
Yeah. All right.
Top first.
You even have handles now. Now the thickness of the wall, again, matches that of the rest of the wall here. Well, we got another step of the project done. The flooring's in, the new windows installed, and Lily's casing it out to see what's different. And now we're ready for the next step, and that is to run the wiring to the bathroom. Takes some time, but hey, we're retired.